Series combination of resistors. This combination of resistors follows the law of conservation of energy. The same electric current passes through all the resistors in the series, but there are different potentials. So the potentials are B1, B2, B3 across the resistors. Having the resistances R1, R2, R3, the current passes in I. So now this total potential V equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3. This is according to the law of conservation of energy. So total resistance R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This R is the equivalent or the total resistance. Thus the sum of the resistances of the resistors in series is equal to the sum of the resistances. That is the total resistance. For n resistors in series, R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on up to Rn. Thus the total resistance is more than the maximum resistance of any of the resistor in the series. This combination is used to obtain the maximum resistance by adding the resistances.